第24页文艺选填，野地录音师天籁守护者。
Capturing the soothing sounds of nature. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine you are deep in a forest. Hear the frogs croaking, the crickets chirping, and the songbirds calling. In the distance, you sense a waterfall tumbling into a river, which flows right past you. As you listen to the sounds of nature, a peaceful, relaxing feeling washes over you. This is the power of the natural world, and it's exactly what field recorders capture with their audio equipment. Field recorders gather natural sounds using sophisticated instruments that are able to simulate the way the human ear perceives them. Instead of just recording in stereo, these experts create something called binaural productions. As a German-based field recorder named Karina Pesch told the UK's Guardian newspaper, "So you don't only have left and right, you have up and down and front and back. It really takes you into the place." Pesch is one of a growing number of people who have taken up field recording. Some of them do it as a full-time occupation, and others engage in it more on a part-time or freelance basis. The recordings are used in movies, sold as CD collections or MP3 files, or put online, often as videos with images of forests and other beautiful scenery. To capture the best binaural sound, the top field recordists set up 2 microphones. They may use a dummy head, that is, an artificial head shaped like a human's. The microphones are placed in the ears of the fake head. With the mics placed in such a way, the equipment records sounds in a type of 3-dimensional way. This method effectively mimics the way people naturally hear. Indeed, binaural recordings of nature sound so authentic that they can reduce mental and physical stress because it's easy for listeners to believe they are outdoors surrounded by the wonders of nature.